Lovely mustache, my love.
Evanesco.
What? As a matter of fact, I do. You're on candid camera.
We got one of these cool vaults. There's Butterbeer on it.
And my wife got me a really cool Ravenclaw one. Butterbeer.
That's good. It's so creamy. I'm trying to get past this foam.
Lovely mustache, my love.
It's good. It's like cream soda.
You like it?
But the foam is so good. It's almost like whipped cream.
Really? I want to try. Nice. Nice skinny stash.
Okay, you try.
You know what? I'm not a big fruit soda guy, but I can dig it. It's pretty damn good.
Right?
Let's see my whipped cream on top.
Okay, babe. I learned a spell. Evanesco.
What?
Whoa!
How'd you do that? What the heck?
Magic. All right.
Yeah. We're at Shutterbuttons. Cool, we're at Shutterbuttons. This is the awesome camera they're gonna use to get our photos. Pretty cool. Yeah, that's what I was saying, at least the... Well, I mean, it's a good thing you do get the discount though, so it's like, not paying Madam.
Go in?
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, I didn't see that.
Oh, down there. It should go around. Ah, this one here, right?
Open up, these are super awesome. I love the inside of the bags.
Ooh, that's so cool.
Guess how much those are?
$100.
109.
109? Yeah, makes sense. Easy money. Easy money. Kids, man. Cool. Got a new backpack. Woohoo! I'm gonna grab a drink at the Leaky Cauldron. Do you want to get something and share it here? Or look, they even have this, look. Would you like that?
Would you like that?
I mean, I could eat it.
Yeah. Lots of eggs in there.
Oh, is that it, babe? Oh, no. She's like, it's not yours. Oh, it is. I got the strong, bud. And she got, what'd you get? Unsweet tea. She just couldn't live without the unsweet tea. And I've been wanting to try it. You're so sweet. You're so beautiful, lady. This woman is the best. This woman is the most beautiful thing in the world. The sandwich is so good. This chicken sandwich here. What do you think, my love? Bomb diggity. I didn't expect that. I did not expect that.